welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a self-driving car that can drive around the car or around the track itself without controlling it. So let's get started. I made a very simple car here. This is the body, and then you need to add 2 detection boxes. So in the code, when green flag clicked, we want it to point in the direction of 0 and go right there. So on the stage, we can create the track now. I'm going to make the background grassy green, and then the line. Just gonna create a very simple line, and now I'm gonna thicken it a bit. So now with the reshape tool, I can reshape it like this. Yeah, like this. Now we want to paint a new sprite. We can just put this in that sprite, and then here we can delete it and put this at 0, 0. Now we can delete that too. And this, then we want the outline to be maybe 10. Then the outline can be maybe white. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Now actually we want to make this bright. I think I want it to start over here. So let's do that. I want it to point in direction of -90. And then we want it to start right over there. So now, forever, we want to keep on going, not 10 steps, 2 steps forward, grab an if-then-else statement, put an if-then if in the else. So go to sensing. So if color, you want to do if color red in this case is touching the grass, no, I mean it's touching the white, and for the other one just duplicate it, and then this time we can do color blue. So with color red, it's touching the grass, like you want it to turn a bit like that, and then we can just do like that. So let's try it out. Oh yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. You need to switch them around like that. Look, it's working. It's going around the track. Remember to save at the end and name your project. That's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!